Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learn Reply with Mohit. Today we are going to learn average functions, several type of average functions. There's 4 average functions. One is average, average E, average if, and average ifs. So we'll talk about all these functions. First we'll talk about average and average A function. Before we start, before watching with my video, please like my video and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you. So we'll first see what is average function. So average function, for these 3 values, as you can see in the bottom, it's at 35.33. Now if I increase it to more, it will remain same. If I add more width into the data, or on K or 2 in the data, it will remain same. This is average function. So text is treated as 0, more width is treated as 0, complete is treated as 0, but true value is treated as 1. Now, what is average function with return? Average A function. This is the average A function of L6, that is from 23 till array 10. That is till mkth. If they return me 20.6, and if I've taken included true in the data, if they return me
It's 17.33. Let us see. Average
average A of this. It will be my 17.33. This is the demo data, state, profit, quantity, sales. Now let us see what is average A function in this case from S38 till S44. This is S38 191 till S44. Average A function. It is me 149.740. Because full is treated as 0, night is treated as 0, day is treated as 0. So here also average is there. So if I change it to 2, 2 will be treated as 1 in the case of average. It is return average A as 150, 114. And if I take average just, it is 262. And if I add it to full, night, day, it remains same.
Now, what is average if function? Let me show you.
Average, if, range. If say state is the range, state with my range, criteria, that's the California. And the average range, the average of sales we are going to be, the average range will be this. This is my average range. So I'm getting 313.6.5. Yet is just verify. The source state as California.
And sales. Average
313.61. Is correct? Yes. It is just printed out. Clear filter. Now what is average is function?
Average.
Yes. He's asking for average range. Let's say sales is an average range.
F1 to F4. Criteria range 1. Again, we will take California.
This is now the range. California. Criteria range. Let's say California. Then subcategory range.
Let's say it is this. And subcategory. Phones. B13.
It is given me 677. That is just reply.
So California and phones. Alright. California, and subcategory is phones.
Where it will be
677, as you can see from the bottom. So that's how. Let's create the filter now.
So that's all we learned average, AVERAGEIF, AVERAGEIF and AVERAGEIF function. So that's all for today. In the next video, we are going to learn minimum and maximum functions, then mode and rank functions, text-based function, mathematical-based function, etc. Happy learning, all the best, and keep relating videos subscribe to the channel. Thank you.